Hi, everybody. This is Fire Moon Alchemy, and I'm popping on here to talk to you all about the Scorpio New Moon on November 1st. And I'm a little late with this, but better late than never. So, the Scorpio New Moon tonight invites us into a deep introspective phase of transformation and renewal. Now, this new moon is a beautiful yet potent energy to work with if you are ready to unearth what has been lying beneath the surface as you apply healing and closure to old wounds that may have been festering for some time. Now, interestingly enough, one of Scorpio's body correspondences is that of the bowels and excretory system. So figuratively, this new moon invites you to release attachments of the past that are no longer viable and perhaps even may have grown a little toxic. And releasing these things creates space for new intentions, dreams, goals, and experiences. Scorpio is real and raw, and often Scorpio's season is the time when we come face to face with our fears and not so pleasant truths that wake us up from the slumber of our routine. Everything is going along just fine, and then the zombie you thought you'd buried long ago rises from the grave and comes knocking on your door. And you find yourself thinking, well, isn't this interesting? Around the time of this new moon, an old dynamic or situation may come back around, wearing a familiar theme, though the faces may or may not have changed. Maybe something is said or a secret is revealed. And you thought Halloween was over, and then whoops, someone's mask slips. Suddenly the bare bones are exposed and you see things exactly as they are. This Scorpio new moon is a chance to confront what's been hidden in the shadows and to decide if it's time to put this ghost to rest for good. This is your moment to reclaim your sovereignty and to move forward with a lighter, wiser heart and soul. Now, Death is the card that corresponds to Scorpio in the Tarot Major Arcana, and the card that follows it is Temperance. Now, I often refer to Temperance as my spiritual alchemy card because it encourages us to combine various elements, emotions, experiences, ideas, as well as the shadow aspects of ourselves and others to create something new that is more refined and whole. It corresponds to the sign of Sagittarius, which brings the wisdom of new philosophies, growth, and a sense of freedom. This card reminds you to be patient with yourself as you integrate life's changes and experiences, allowing time and grace to bring your inner and outer worlds back into balance. Now, as you step into the energy of this Scorpio new moon, view it as an invitation to release what no longer serves your path and to embrace life's changes with courage and openness. The scorpion stinger is potent. It holds poison that can kill, but it can also heal. So trust in the process of divine alchemy. I know out there, I'm just picking up that there's a heavy energy going on and some of you are navigating some tough times. But just know, I'm looking at these cards here for you. Every ending or cycle here that is completed opens a door to something new and meaningful. Continue moving forward. Your path is guiding you out of the darkness and back towards the light. Just look at that Temperance card. Now, some ways that you all can work with this Scorpio new moon energy are candle magic, of course. And, new moons are a time for new intentions. So you can write your goals on a petition and put it underneath your candle. Put your candle on a plate, of course, and then put the petition underneath the plate. And as it burns, really meditate on those intentions. And then afterward, burn the petition to release it into the ethers. And as well, as it is that time of year, you may want to consider lighting an ancestor candle, asking your beloved ancestors for help with a situation or to help you manifest your goals. Now, as a water sign, Scorpio's energy lends itself beautifully to a ritual bath, allowing you to immerse fully in its transformative vibe while you meditate and cleanse your aura. Now, you can enhance this bath ritual by adding sea salt, herbs, and maybe a few essential oils, or you can just try a ready-made ritual bath kit to enhance your intentions. Some candle colors you may want to work with are white, black, red, brown, burgundy, and light green. That's that aquamarine color. Because one of the crystals that corresponds to Scorpio is aquamarine. Additional crystals are smoky quartz, ruby, opal, rhodochrosite, malachite, mahogany, obsidian, topaz, peridot, labradorite, Apache tears, unakite, and kunzite. And of course, any other crystals that resonate with you, you can incorporate those as well. As I always say, you do you. Okay, everybody, that about does it for me. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you found the messages helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. And just know that I love you all, and I am sending you all healing and blessings tonight for this Scorpio new moon.